Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. Today we are going to learn this easy to make hair growth spray you can use on your scalp. Yes, you can just do this and store in your cabinet for about 3 days and be using it on your scalp every day, and you're going to see very significant difference in your hair growth. With just 2 ingredients, you're going to be making a very potent hair growth spray. We'll be using a tablespoon of hibiscus leaves and then a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. This combo is the best combo you can ever try for yourself. You know, I'm always coming with Ayurvedic ingredients that you can use on your hair. If you are struggling with dandruff, or if you feel like there's dandruff on your scalp, fenugreek is the best thing you can use on your hair. Fenugreek contains antimicrobial and antifungal properties that are able to fight any infections or bacteria that come on your scalp. So fenugreek is a game changer if you want to battle any form of infection or bacteria on your scalp. Now, going to hibiscus, I love hibiscus so much because it's able to promote hair growth very well. It revives dormant follicles, which results in growing the hair very well. So I added hot water and then left it for about 15 minutes for it to infuse. It's the juice or the tea from the herbs that is needed. So after 15 minutes, I just transferred it into a spray bottle. You can tell that it's just small quantity. I'm not doing so much, just small quantity. I can use for about 3 to 5 days so that it doesn't go bad. Yes, this is my hair and I'll be applying this, just spraying it on my hair and scalp so that it will be like a moisture routine for me. It's important to follow up with an oil after this treatment. If you leave your hair like that, it's going to really get dry with just the spray. So when you're done with this, you can just follow up with your hair oil, or if you have hair butter, you can just follow up with it. So me, I like to use hair oils because they are lighter on my scalp. They are not very thick. They are just okay now for me, so I like to use hair oils instead of hair butters. But then if you have hair butters, yes, you can always give it a try. This is something that if you want to promote hair growth, you can just do it consistently and you will notice that your hair will be very thick, will be very strong. It's going to reduce hair fall, it's going to reduce excessive hair breakage. It's just going to do so much to your hair that you cannot believe that you are going to achieve. Yes, so this is the oil I'm using. This is an Indian herb filled with 10 active Ayurvedic ingredients, and I love this oil so much because it really doesn't weigh the hair down. Like when they say oil that doesn't weigh the hair down, this is the oil that I recommend. It's called Veda. You can find them on Instagram. But yes, today we are focusing on the hairspray. So guys, after this, I just do well to massage the hair because, you know, massaging is what promotes hair growth. I'm trying to retain length because I realized that trimming my ends too much is what has resulted in me remaining on a particular length for a while. It's because I always trim my ends. So I'll take you along to this journey. If you are new here, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to massage your edges as well. Please don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.